Okay students, now we will start exercise 7D. In 7D, it is same as what we have done in 7C. Only the difference is, earlier you have seen that the coefficient as 1 in first term, here the value is given. That's it. So, 4x square plus 17x plus 15. Now you have to do the factorize. First we check HCF method, nothing is common in that. So we will not do for HCF method, then we go for regrouping. Now regrouping should have 4 terms, so we have 3. We will not do regrouping. Then we go for identity. Now for identity, this is a perfect square. 4x square is perfect square of 2x. But 15 is not a perfect square, so we will not apply identity. Now we will apply splitting method. So sum is 17. Product means the coefficient of first term and third term. So 4 into 15 is 60. Now numbers, please write down in this way only. Now numbers are 12 and 5. Yes. Now 4x square plus, now 4x square 12 and 5. Now middle term you have to split between 12 and 5. Now students, I suggest if you change the order, then also you will get the same factors. Now 4x and 12x. Highest common factor is 4x because 4 comes in 12 comes in 4's table. X we have taken common, x will be left plus 4's table, how many times 12? 3. X we have already taken plus in this case 5 and 15 comes in 5's table, x plus 3. Now x plus 3 is common, another will be 4x plus 5 as in the another factor. Clear about this? Now let's do one more part of it, that is, which one we will do? Let's do the D part of it. 4x square minus 16x minus 9. Now in this case, again sum is minus 16. Product is, students, please don't forget to write the sign as well. 4 into minus 9. So minus 36. Numbers, now it comes in, 36 comes in 2's table, how many times? 18. 18 2's are. Now because product is negative, so minus 18 and plus 2 will become minus 16. Yes? So 4x square minus 18x plus 2x minus 9. Now 4 and 18 comes in 2's table. Yes? And x is also common for in that. So 2x will be taken common. In 2's table, how many times 4 come? 2x minus 9. And here nothing is common, so we take 1. So 2x minus 9. So 2x minus 9 and 2x plus 1. This is the answer of this question. Clear? Now we will do another part of it. Students, we will do another part, that is F part, that is 6x square minus 11xy minus 10y square. It has x and y both as common variables. Yes, so in that case what we will do? We will write it sum minus 11 product 6 into minus 10 become minus 16. So numbers will be 6 and 10, 2 and 3, 12 and 5, 4 and 15. Now 4 and 15 product is negative, sum is negative, so minus 15 into 4. So 6x square plus 4, because the middle term has xy variable, so here xy minus 15xy minus 10y square. Now 6 and 4 comes in 2's table, x is also common. How many times 6 come? 3x plus 2's table 4 come 2 times y. Here 10 and 15 come in 5's table, both are negative, so we have taken minus as common. Y is also common, 3x plus 2y, minus plus minus, minus minus, sorry, minus plus, again minus. So 3x plus 2y and 2x minus 5y is the factors of this f part. Clear? Now we will do, which part we will do? H, or I will do I. I part says 6a square plus 7a minus 5. Sum 7, product 6 into minus 5 will become minus 30. Numbers. Now 6 5s are 30 and 2 into 15 and what comes? 10 into 3, 30. Now because product is negative, so one number should be negative. But sum is positive, so it is not smaller number, not greater number as positive, it will be smaller number. So 6a square plus 10a minus 3a minus 5. Now 6 and 10 comes in 2's table, 2a common, 3a plus 5, 2 5s are 10, a we have already taken out. Now in this case nothing is common, so minus 1. Why minus? Because both are negative. And if we take it minus as common, both will be positive and it will be similar to this. So 3a plus 5 and 2a minus 1. Clear about it? Now, thank you students.